Attention men and women over age 50 struggling to lose weight. Discover how the foods you eat every day are making your fat cells sick, making it impossible to lose weight, while also damaging your joints, disrupting your hormones, rapidly aging your skin, and even leading to diabetes. Sound insane? Do yourself a favor and take 2 minutes out of your busy day to read this very important health article. Also, please make sure you read to the end, because there's a very special surprise, just for you, that I know you'll love. By Mike Geary, aka the Nutrition Watchdog, certified nutrition specialist, best-selling author. Why are there so many fat doctors in America? Think about it. Have you ever had an overweight doctor? Chances are you have. If these people are the leaders of health in our country, then why are they just as unhealthy as the rest of the population? Something must be wrong. According to a Physicians' Health study, 40% of the 19,000 doctors were overweight and 23% were obese. That means over half of the doctors in America are overweight. And here's even worse news. Overweight and obese physicians report significantly less confidence than their normal weight colleagues in giving their patients diet or exercise counseling. The average doctor receives about 8 to 25 hours of nutrition training in their entire career. It takes 7 years to become a doctor after they've finished their bachelor's degree. That means they spend less than 0.1% of their education learning about nutrition and how it affects your health. What's even worse is the information they do learn is the same outdated information that's made America the obesity capital of the world. The problem is doctors aren't taught to treat problems. They're taught to treat symptoms. The entire medical establishment is designed to diagnose a problem and then treat the symptoms with medication. Their training isn't the only problem, they're also financially incentivized by pharmaceutical companies to prescribe drugs. If they can keep you fat and sick so you have to keep taking their drugs, then they keep making money. I'm not saying these doctors are bad people. They're just misinformed. And don't get me wrong. Western medicine is incredible, when it comes to things like broken bones, heart attacks, and other life-threatening issues. But when it comes to fat loss and increasing your energy, it's a total failure. So what's the solution? If the people we've trusted to heal us are just as unhealthy as we are, what can we do? Well, if you want to increase your energy, get rid of joint pain, and change how your body looks on the outside. You have to start with what's inside. Let me explain. Joint pain, muscle weakness, digestive issues, old skin and hair, stubborn belly fat, zero energy, and an addiction to carbohydrates. And they're all connected. You may be thinking this all sounds crazy, but let me ask you this. How many of the following are you currently struggling with? Stubborn belly fat that will not go away no matter how hard you exercise or diet, painful or uncomfortable bloating, especially after eating meals or drinking, fat gain in strange places, chest in men, belly in ladies, for example, joints that ache and are painful, digestion issues, IBS, gas, stomach discomfort, constipation, diarrhea, undigested food in stool, dry, flaky, wrinkly, and old skin, looking older than you really are. Energy swings, low energy before eating, high after. Then crash, constant craving of snack foods like crackers, cookies, chips, and other carbohydrates, frustrating sleep issues, can't fall asleep, wake up through the night, still tired in the morning, moody and irritable if you get too hungry, indigestion. What foods can lead to such a horrible situation? The biggest culprits are the health foods you eat every day and have been told are the healthiest by big food corporations, your doctor, health teachers, and even the government. You often hear vague claims in the news that sugar is bad for you, or that wheat and gluten are bad for you, but do you truly understand what these foods do to your insides? Most people don't understand the reasons. And the fact is that some of the foods you're going to discover can not only destroy your digestive system, but also hormones and metabolism. Not only that, but as you'll see below, there's a common plant-based food that you probably eat in restaurants frequently. I bet you ate this at least once in the last week, and this common plant food is proven to cause heart attacks. Click the link below in the description to discover exactly what to eat in a way that boosts your metabolism, balances hormones, fights stubborn belly fat, heals your gut, and increases your energy, regardless of your bad genetics.